Hey there, my Didge brothers and sisters and sons and daughters. How are you this week? I hope you had a great week. I did. I got my 300 subscribers. So there, the eye is finished. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm gonna do video number 7. And 7 is the first support muscle for circular breathing. Last week we looked at the body as an air pump. So the air pump is this one, and air comes out, relax, air comes in like a pump. So that's all explained in video number 6. Number 7, we're gonna do the jaw. The jaw is a very strong muscle and very fast, and I explained everything, well, not everything for sure, but lots in video number 5. So check that out if you didn't check it out yet. So the pump keeps on pumping, and I just learned the word for the other thing where you go, supposedly it's bellows. So we're not bellows because that is work, and that is work, too much work. Pump is work and relaxation, better. Good to be a little bit lazy or efficient, however you see it. So we're still a pump, and the articulation we're going to use with our jaw is ga, ga, and the is from singing. It's closing off the back of your throat. Ga, ga, and I'm now saying the but is a nasal sound. So that's the part where we're gonna just let the air flow back in. So ga is out, work in your belly, and then it's and that is just relaxation. So I'm gonna just do ga, 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 ga. And now I have 2 pumps. The first pump is that one, ga, relax, ga, relax. And this one is ga, 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 ga. And they sort of work opposite. So ga, ga, this is ga, ga. And that's what we're gonna do in the didgeridoo. You can do it with your cheeks flat and your cheeks puffed out. And maybe in the beginning do the cheeks puffed out, and see if you can keep the tone going the moment you're relaxing and letting the air flow back in. Let's see. So I'm gonna play it with the cheeks puffed out, and then I'm gonna play it with my cheeks flat. But it's basically ga, ga, ga. Is that clear? I hope it is. If it's not clear, let's look at it in a different way. Always good. Can you do inward talking? Hello, how are you? So it's a bit weird, but if you do ga outwards and inwards, it's like ga, 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 ga. I'm working too much for the breathing in now, but it's just that principle, that ga, ga, so air comes out when I'm closing the pump here. Yeah, if that makes sense. I will do it in the didgeridoo, showing my beautiful jawline. But that's, of course, we don't want that because we're doing the bellow. Ga. And I want you to be a pump. So ga, 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 ga. I hope you have fun with it, and thank you so much for supporting me. My 300 subscribers, so keep sharing and liking and writing comments, please. And if I have 1,000 followers, the 1,000th is gonna have an online free lesson with me. So let's make it all happen, and I'll see you next week for 8 for another support muscle. And have a lovely week. Bye bye.